Hey, what you doing?
So, you know what? I'm thinking about our next wreath project, and I think I
Lord.
want to go big.
How big?
Let's see. Got some ideas?
I think I may have like one or two. Oh my God. Yes, I have some ideas.
All right. Show me what you got.
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
So I found this wreath base. What do you think? Ready? You want to try to make this one work?
No, sir. You know what? I think we can go bigger.
So what about this size? How about this one?
Jules, I need you to go bigger. Think bigger.
How about this? What about this? Look at this. It's all the way around me. Is this big enough?
Jules, you know what? Let's go bigger and unique. Let's go different.
Unique?
Yes, unique.
Okay. We've never used this. We can make this out of a wreath. Challenge you.
That looks like a challenging wreath form, but too many shelves, hon. Too many shelves.
How about this one? Will this work?
Yes, go big or go home. I love it. We're going to use that one.
I'll go to the chiropractor.
Go straight to the chiropractor because guess what? This one is the mother load. Beautiful. Love it.